Hey all, today we are going to see about the Prometheus and the node exporter and the service discovery part. So what all the things been included here, like we gonna see the hits and blog I will be attaching in this description link. You can go through once. We are gonna see the Prometheus architecture, then how to install Prometheus and configure Prometheus to monitor itself on the AWS EC2 instance, then installing the node port exporter on the EC2 instance, then configuring Prometheus to the EC2 instance, and then service discovery, then installing Grafana. I will attach a different video for the Grafana part, but today in this video we are gonna see about the architecture part. Okay, so first of all about the prerequisites we you should know about the launching the EC2 instance, like using T2 micro. It depends on us, like what we need to use. We need to T2 medium, T2 micro. What else you need to do? Then node for the monitoring part, for the which EC2 instance you need to monitor and which region you need to go. After going that, we need to add some security groups to configure properly. Like we have different security groups. We need to close some firewalls. We need to open some firewalls. We have inbound rules. We have outbound rules. So according to it, we are gonna configure our security groups. And there is some GitHub repository also available here. But you can also use this and clone, and you can go step by step. But I'm going to help and just we are going to see with the easy flow part. Okay, then we have different ports. Just see, like on port number 9090 the Prometheus server works, then on port number 9100 Prometheus node port exporter works, and on port 3000 our Grafana works. So we are just adding attaching the security groups here, like 1990 3000 and 9100 for this different parts. Then if we see about the Prometheus architecture, this is basically the architecture how the Prometheus works. We have a PromQL, it's a language where we write our queries and we get and we execute to see the monitoring parts. Okay, then we have matrices. Generally in the matrices we have targets, we have job exporters, like this all the things we've been using in the Prometheus architecture. And we have service discovery. You can add Docker, you can add Kubernetes, you can add EC2 instance. We have generally EC2 instance which we need to monitor. Here is the description also been written like what all the things been included. So let's begin with the installing the Prometheus part. Before that, I have also one repository, this part, like why we are using, why we use Prometheus. So like for the it's all start with the monitoring part. If we need to monitor something, how the system is working, how your health and performance of the applications, if something goes down, why is going down, how many traffics are coming. So according to it we can just check continuously, and if something malicious happens, so we can act upon it. It also provides up security, high availability zone. If you know about high availability, it means generally we don't need to continuously monitor our things. If certain load comes up, and we can just directly it will automatically increase your master nodes, worker nodes, and it will divide your traffics. Okay, this all the high availability parts. Like we are using Prometheus for the monitoring parts. Just all the theory you can just read. I will be attaching this GitHub links in the description, so you can just go and read once. And we just, it's also one important thing, like why Prometheus over other monitoring tools, because it's open source and it's easy to download, like no costing is required. Then powerful query language itself, scalability also provide integration, like integration of it, it's also simple part. Okay, so let's begin with the launching on this server. I have already created a Prometheus instance just for the demo. I will just show like how you need to launch logging into AWS account. Go to the EC2 and we need to launch an instance. You can give any name, like suppose we are just giving demo Prometheus prom. Okay, then you can attach any of this image you want, AWS, you want Ubuntu, you want Red Hat. It depends on us. I have taken AWS Amazon Linux. Then using the AMI image, like which all the image you need to use, AMI3. This all are this the images you need to AMI images. Then after going Yeah, as I discussed, like for the T2 micro instance type, what all the instance type you want like higher CPU, or you want a higher something. So there are the different services, different provided by this. We have T2 small, we have T2 large. Only the like according to our requirement, we want two CPUs, we want 8 GB memory. It depends us to us requirement. But we are going for the free tier right now. They're attaching the key pair. I already have the some key pair attached. If you don't have, if you are using first time, then you can just create a key pair and you can just download from here. Okay, and going this VPC subnet, we gonna configure later for the security groups part. And coming to here, you just need to check like how many instances you want to launch, 1 2 3. It depends on us to us. So after launching the instance, it's gonna launch for us. Now as we already have a configure instance, so we are gonna use this and we gonna connect directly from here. Just 1 minute, like it's refreshing our instance data. Okay, so now we are gonna connect with our instance, like it's EC2 instance. It's connecting, and let's check. Establishing the connections. Okay, so you can see our UI terminal like this. CLI terminal has been opened up. So you just need to go with the root login, because like we need to go with the root access. We need to have all access. It depends on us. If we don't want to log in to the root, we just need to write sudo in every stage by stage, giving the sudo power. Okay, so we are just logging into the root account, sudo su hyphen. Then after we need to just download. I have already downloaded, but let me show you how to download. Like if you go to the Prometheus website, this is a Prometheus website, and here's a different versions available. You just need to download for the Linux, because we are using the Linux right now. It depends on us, like what this is the latest release. They have different release notes, so you just need to just copy. All right. Okay, so you just need to copy this address and you just need to paste with the command wget, and here your this tar file. Okay, so as you hit enter, it automatically gonna download Prometheus for you. I already have this part, so let me skip for you because it's gonna take some time for processing. Okay, so I'm just you can do it manually, like it's just a easy step. Then again, if you do the ls, there will be this file. You need to untar it. So we have a tar hyphen xvzf. Okay, xvzf, and you just need to promote this part. Yeah, if you provide this, I think amd.tar we need to provide with the tar extension too. And if you hit enter, it gonna untar, and it's a zip file. It gonna do unzip for you. So now you again ls, we have all you gonna find this file. Now you need to go into the Prometheus website, Prometheus folder by cd Prometheus inherited, then ls. We have we all have the different types of files in the Prometheus part. Okay, so now what's our main issue, main goal is we need to run our Prometheus file. So for the running Prometheus file, first we need to open the ports, like as I already discussed with you, like what all the ports on the Prometheus server works on the port 9090. So we need to go to the security groups and we need to update with the security paths. So you need to go here and for the launching with the security groups. So I have already configured this inbound rules and outbound rules as I have given all traffic. I am not specifying with one ports. I have given all traffics, and because I'm just working with you, if you can specific add, you just need to add with the specific port all the which port you want to open. You just need to save the changes, you because we haven't made any changes. So now this is our Prometheus. You need to start. So there is a it's a shell command. Okay, this is config file. So you just need to run by dot hyphen and this Prometheus part. It's Prometheus, yeah. So your Prometheus been started working. You just need to copy this public IP and you just need to paste in the browser column 9090 and you hit enter. Your Prometheus has been working and started. It's been started. This is the GUI for the Prometheus part. We have different part. We have rules, we have targets, we have service discovery, we have time stamp distributed base. We have graphs, we have alerts, we have different things been working here. Okay, so this is the if you need to see the geo info, we need to execute. Like this is the geo info, or basically it's going on. Like this all are the been executor metrics executor you need to monitor, and what are all the things you need to go. Okay, and there's a different queries, and this language is generally known as PromQL language. Okay, whatever you want to execute, we just need to write language here, and it works for us. Okay, so now what's our second thing is, first motive was like we have launched the Prometheus server. Now we need to check the matrices. We can't go to the another parts again and again. We can't see the matrices. Okay, so we are using node port exporter. Let me show you this thing. Let me connect. Just a minute. Yeah, it's getting connecting. Connect. So we have get this for the node port exporter. This was for the Prometheus, and we need to launch our node port exporter on the different server, on the different machines, because we are going to monitor from different particular parts. Like if you go down here, I think it's taking some time. Yeah, no worries. Like node EC2 instance, we for configuring EC2 instance, we need to install node port on the different servers. Okay, this is the we have done with the Prometheus part, and same thing which is written here is happening behind the scene from the like Azar zip file, and we are going to do. Okay, this working, and inbound or outbound. So installing this node port and exporter, we need to install on all the target machines which is likely to monitor. Okay, so our machines has been up, and yeah, we are going to see like sudo su-root login. Now we need to install the node port exporter. Again, going to the download file and searching for the node port exporter. So node port, yeah, this, yeah, we have here the node port exporter, same as it is. We just need to copy the link address, and we just need to write wget and paste. Okay, so as you hit enter, it gonna download for you. For the saving time, I have already did for you. Okay, so if you see, there will be this Prometheus monitoring part, and we're gonna enter into the Prometheus monitoring. Okay, as we hit enter, okay, we just need to again install the node exporter part, I think. Alright, so we just need to install our node port exporter by wget, same as I show you. As we are hitting enter, it's downloading for us. It's already been there. If we do ls, yeah, you can find this, and we just need to unzip it by tar-xvzf. Okay, sorry, yeah, xvzf, then okay, okay, so we just need to unzip it. As we hit enter, you can see the we have unzip it. We just need to go to the node exporter part and just do ls. Yeah, so here our node exporter has been come, and if you need to check what's there, and if you need to start, same as I shown, the shell file, we just need to hit enter. Yeah, it's already been used. 9100 is already been used, so we just need to Let's try one time, otherwise we gonna directly connect 9100 slash matrices. Okay, so you can see like this we have used public IP and port 9100 and our matrices when we can see. So what's the thing, we can't go again and again on the notebook exporter, and we can't, this is not able to, we are going to monitor, not able to do the things. So we are gonna to provide this matrices path to the Prometheus, so it's gonna help and it's gonna do things easy for us. So now we just need to go into the VIM Prometheus file dot YML file. We need to add this path in the static configurations. Uh, okay, okay, we are just adding into the static configurations part. We just need to, alright, let's just copy path from here, copy, and let's just paste here. Okay, we just need to remove HTTP, and it by default path is slash matrices like as we defined, and it by default gonna take HTTP. So we don't need to see such things. We just need to save and hit enter as we save, and we need to again restart our Prometheus. As you hit enter, and we can see our Prometheus, and let's refresh. Starting up. Okay, let's go to the rules. Okay, we have attached the target. Okay, so here our matrix's target has been up, you can see here. And if you want to know something more, show less, show more, this all are the matrices we have attached here, and we can go suddenly here and we can check all the things what we require. So we have attached the matrices over here. So what was this? This was our target, like we are just attaching the node port exporters. This all are the targets over here. Like this we can attach many targets as we want. It depends on us. If you want to give the certain name to our jobs, we can also give the certain names, like going to the same VIML file, and like suppose we need to give I think, yep, yeah, like here job name, I want to give notepad exporter job name node exporter. Okay, so we just need to give in now we just need to save, and again we need to start our Prometheus server. And as you hit enter, you can see, I think, yeah, it's getting connection. Yeah, it takes some few minutes. Issues. You can check, like we have now the name as node pro expert. It depends on us whatever what the job role we want and what the things we want. So last thing, now our node pro export has been done. We just need to like installing notepad exporter same as it is. I have just given you a simple way. Now what's our last thing is, we just need to add a service discovery on the EC2 instance. Like if you know, if you want to continuously monitor your EC2 instance, so we are going to give now our service discovery. So same, we just need to again go to the YAML, that's Prometheus file, and we need to add here service discovery part. So I'm just taking code from here. You can also take as such, no worries. Okay, we have written job name. It's a service discovery. Let's me define with a service discovery. Service discovery. Okay, we have given service discovery, and let's check in which like in which region it's working. We are working on AP South 1. Okay, so we just need to change with the AP South 1. Yeah, AP South 1. Okay, it's been, and we just need to give here our secret key, public key. So let me just give quickly and just let me just save files. For creating access key, secret key, we have to go to the IAM users and we need to create a user. We are creating a user, suppose for the Prometheus. Okay, prom for service discovery. Okay. Or let's give just prom. Okay, and provide and users to the access management, and I want to create a IAM user. We need to create a custom password. Let me put anything. Okay, then going to the next. Okay, it must be 8 characters. Going, we are attaching policies. We need to attach policies only for the EC2 instance. It depends on you which all the policies you want to install. I think, yeah, we are attaching one policy, then going to the next, then creating the users. Now our users has been created. Now we just need to give the secret key access key part. So creating an access key, same for the application running on the AWS cloud compute services. Then I understand. Then going to the next part, description. Any description you want to give, or service. Okay, we are giving service path. So this is my secret key access key. I just need to copy from here to here, and let me just stop and share my screen. So I have just saved my file and I have been outside. Now you just need to again restart your Prometheus server. Okay, it's starting. Just okay, it's starting, and you just need to again hit and enter. So now you can see our service discovery has been come up. Our like all the like we have AP South 1, AP South 2, AP South 3. See, all this has been come up in the service discovery part. Okay, so this all are the main things we have discussed over. Also like adding the node exporter, going the service discovery part, adding the target. So all are the this things come under it. And you can also check one more thing. We have service discovery, as I discussed before with you. We have service discovery part. This is the service discovery part. All the IP addresses we have, all the meta EC2 instances we have job as service discovery. Then all the things been defined the or more explosion part. Then we have config file. We have different config file. What all the configurations we have created, we have for the Prometheus file. Then we have for the node exporter configuration file using. Then we are using for service discovery part, like we have given secret file, all this configuration, what the configuration we have done. And going, we have T as db time span. Okay, we just need, we can create like what's the name, and we gonna see more into the detail. And this is a graph. Okay, let's check one more time with the graph part. Okay, this is your graph and what all the things we have done here. So it's we can show more visualization with the graph part, and this is the table part. So it depends on us what all the things we need to see. I'm going to attach this Prometheus GitHub link also, this blog link also, and mine this Prometheus link too. You can go step by step, and you can just read all the things. If you stuck somewhere, you can just comment down. I will be helping you, and if you just suggest me anything, if you want anything more to be added over here. And don't forget to just close your EC2 machines if you are working as a practical part. Otherwise, it can charge you, and it can expand your money, and something can be happen. So, and we will be looking for the Prometheus in the next video. Okay. Thanks, guys, and please like, share, and subscribe as much you can. Thanks you.